So I can write this in a lot of different ways. I can say 196 divided by 7. I can use that symbol, or I can write it like this. They mean the same thing. So this is a fraction, little division problem. Most people really are not excited about doing that kind of division problem, but let me show you, if you turn it into a game, suddenly it becomes a whole lot more fun. So I can rewrite, excuse me, I'll keep this here for a second. I can rewrite this. I'll put 196 in the box. Oh, here, actually, let me do this a little bit differently. Let me turn my paper. All right, so I'm going to put 196 in the box and 7 outside of the box. Okay, so far? Okay, so what we're going to do now is, here, let me make sure we are good. I am checking a couple of our channels. Okay, we're good. All right, so I can do this. Now, most people would start to say, okay, 7 into 1, 7 into 19. Okay, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. What is 7? What's an easy number you can multiply 7 by that you can help take a big chunk out of this? Oh, I might suggest 7 times 10. 7 times 10 is 70, right? Okay, so if I say, okay, I'm going to take 70 out of this number. So this is 7 times 10. Okay, so I'm just going to put the 10 here so you remember. Okay, all right. So 70 from 196. 7 from 19 is 12. So that's 1, and drop the 6. All right, I'm going to take another 70 out of it. All right, I'm just going to keep taking bites out of this problem. Okay, I'm taking 70 again. All right, 7 from 12. Okay, that's going to be in the 5, and then drop the 6 down. I can't take 70 away from that because, well, there's not enough. So I'm going to say, all right, another easy number is, for me, it's 7 times 5. That's 35. Okay, so I'm going to say minus 35. Okay, I'm going to keep track over here what I've got. All right, there's a 5, and then I'm going to say, all right, what do I have? Now I actually have to do some minus. All right, so 5 from 6 is 1. 3 from 5 is 2. Ooh, 7 goes into 21 nicely, doesn't it? Yeah, it goes in 3 times, doesn't it? Minus 21, and I get 0. So what's the answer? The answer is 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 5 and 3 make 8. So the answer up here is 28. Isn't that fun? So again, what did we do? We just started taking bites out of the problem. There's nothing that says you have to do, 7 into 19. Okay, that's a 2, and then we got a 4, 14. There's a lot of different ways of doing this. And that's what I want you to see.